K24z3 rebuild core. So today we're going to be tearing down the head. I'm going to be leaving the motor in the car. We're going to be removing the pistons from it's fast and efficient. So thanks for tuning in. So it's a 10. So we'll start by just getting this out the way. Okay, got that off out the way. Now let's hit these 10 mils loosened up. Yeah, we loosened all of them. So while we taking the car apart, we're gonna be looking for anything that's damaged, like any holes that are damaged, cracked, any gaskets need to be replaced. We're gonna be looking at everything. That way we don't miss nothing, and when we get this thing back running, we don't run into no issues. Okay? So I'll pop these spark plugs. I'm gonna undo the battery too, so we'll get no connection issues. So undo that battery. And pop all these bolts out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here. All those right there. Disconnect. Connect. Here. And let's get this baby. It always give you a struggle. But look at them cams, man. You know I keep up with my oil changes. Look how clean that is, man. Come on. I don't see no signs of no damages or nothing up here in the head. But the oil is really black. Yeah, that's what comes with it with all this heat and stuff. Jack the car up, take all the oil out, and start taking off the time inside. So yeah. That's probably good enough. Alrighty. So I'm putting this drain bolt back in because I'm trying to post this stuff daily to get some good content. So that's drained. We are gonna just move this under the car. Alright, now that that's out the way, make sure we don't get no more drips on the floor. Okay, so I had to move the hood prop, power steering pump, reservoir over, and my cooler lines over. And now we got enough room to get the ratchet on this baby and put it right here. So pull towards us, get that loosened, take the belt off, wedge it off. There we go. Belt secured and off. 14 giving us no issue, but it's fine. And this belt still looks fairly new. Has about, well, we got one bolt fell out. We'll find out. So we got one power steering bolt and the other one right here. So power steering bolts check. So we're gonna move these ones and take the pump and just gonna pick it up and put it to the side just like that. And now this hose. And now we have room to work on removing this mount and then getting right to the timing cover. So I'm gonna stop and save this for the next video. Because right now my phone's about to die and my glasses are dying. So I want to keep the POV content up close and personal so you can see every bolt. So thanks for watching.